the hell?
Oh no.
Don't show no effort, you choosing the side, stay there. You make the bed, I promise you gon' lay there. Paradise, I'm trying to escape there, cause shorty, I'm numb, trying to make it out of life.
What the hell? Somebody's tags apparently are expired. Well.
Well, time for some cereal. Because it took a hell, like I had to look up what day it was. I was like, is today still Wednesday? I said, oh no. So then I saw the lights. I said, what is going on? But it had nothing to do with me. So you're probably like, why the hell would you think it was for you? I don't. I just don't like the proximity. I don't like seeing the lights. I don't. Who likes seeing those lights? Nobody. And if y'all don't know, I'm not going into that. But anyway, as to the reason why. But anyway, yeah, it is time to make some cereal. What is life right now? It is midnight. Like, whatever. Like, I didn't eat because I was napping. Like, I'm the woman that prefers naps over anything. Food, what, anything. Just, if I can't do it, my body cannot do it, I'm not doing it. Cereal of choice. Milk of choice. Oh, child. So how's your day going? You know, technically Thursday now. How's your morning going? Oh, golly. Not even enough, yeah, that's enough. And I know I'm finna be up for at least like another hour. But at least I rested. I rested from 5 to like 9:30. And then I've been laying in bed ever since. These long weekends be messing me up, child. Oh, wait. Well, but yeah, I just wanted to check in with y'all. Please don't be concerned. I am okay. PSA. This is probably your sign to get your tags renewed. Okay? Because that cop was not playing. They said, skirt. Mind you, it's at nighttime. What are you scanning for, fam? First off. Second off, you couldn't let the person get to their crib, but they never do. You always a block away. You always a corner away. Before they pull you over. Like, that's always wild to me. You almost be home. Like, man. Anyway, get your license renewed, get your tags renewed, everything. Just make sure your ducks in a row, because depending on the state, them tickets ain't no joke, family.
Don't be so quick to walk away. Dance with me, I wanna rock your body. Please stay. Dance with me, you don't have to admit you wanna play. me, just let me rock you till the break of day.
Listen, am I dreaming?
So quick to dance with me. Rock your body. Let me rock. So quick to dance with me.
Today's the day
Don't be so quick
that you start.
walk away.
Now finish it.
Dance with me. I wanna rock your body. Please stay.
I wanted to document today just for the purpose of my own accountability, and something today snapped in me in a good way. I've been talking about having a certain item for a very long time, just personally off record. In a couple videos on here, I mentioned it, but I never felt like I could grasp the idea. All I know is right now, on September 5th, 2024, I took the initiative to start my goal. I haven't had any tangible plans to do it, but today I hunkered down and I thought that I needed to look up some type of figure, because I'm a numbers person. How can I reach a certain goal within a certain amount of time? And today I said, enough is enough. I'm not talking about it anymore. Well, in that sense, as far as just talking, not doing. I usually have this setup where I talk about something for a lengthy period of time, and then I start to implement things as far as making it come to fruition. That's always been me. I'm not going to stop now, and I'm going to keep going. God willing, next year and a half, because I know life happens, I know things have to ebb and flow and adapt and so forth, but I am going to do this. Printing stuff out and seeing things and plugging stuff, like all the stuff that I did today to make the final decision to move forward with my goal. I got a little bit emotional, and per usual, I always do, because eventually with my accountability, as I said, things start to blossom and happen. And I've been feeling very blessed recently. I know this is feasible to do. I don't know how feasible, but as long as I take my time and I understand that I want something, everything else goes out the window and I'm tunnel vision. You cannot stop me doing what I want to do, and it's never anything that hinders anybody or myself. It's always something that is filled with shared moments, love, just experiences. And with this, it's no different. And I don't even know why I'm getting emotional, because I haven't even completed the goal yet, but like every time it's like just me having the courage to do it is what gets me emotional. Because years ago, going through what I faced, I didn't think I was going to get to this point. And I tell y'all all the time, I'm going to give y'all the real on top of the funny. So this is just the real part. This is the emotional part. But yeah. I didn't know I could climb out the holes that I was in. Just mentally. And now that my mind is getting clearer by the day, I don't want to go back. So here starts today. Is just a continuation of me not returning back, me not crawling back into that hole of comfort and what I've known, and just the laziness of it all. I can't do it. So with that being said, I just wanted to record this day to look back on for myself, for when I achieve the goal that I'm trying to reach, and when that goal is starting to fold even further, because it is going to be a long-term multiple step type of thing. I first have to get everything approved for what I need, get my ducks in a row with that. Then I have to search, then I have to close, then I have to make a decision when it comes to certain parameters. So it's dealing with leaps of faith, it's dealing with geographical things, it's dealing with what am I willing to continue to put up with environment wise. Just all the things are encompassed into this one goal. And it may sound minute to others, but it's a big deal for me to do this for me. That's the biggest thing that I'm honing in on right now. For me. This is solely for me. And I haven't done something solely for me in this magnitude really in a while. Sure, I've accomplished certain things, wrote the books and so forth. This is one of my bigger goals, and it makes me uncomfortable because it's like, okay, once that gets achieved, what then? What doors will be unlocked for me when I do this? And during the season of me getting pruned and challenged and beat down and bogged down, I believe has prepped me for this day and now beyond. I never knew when that season was going to come. I never knew when I would snap into this mode that I'm in. But just for this one thing that I know is going to surround so many other decisions and so much other transitions for me, it's important. And I'm thankful. I never lived life with regret, because whatever experience that I have faced so far, to me, I've took it as a learning lesson. I'm in a complete understanding now that I need to hunker down with this. Again, I don't know what this first step is going to look like that will unravel with everything else. I just know I needed to start it. And that's today. Thank you for listening. This was the testimonial part of the video. And I appreciate you guys for listening and understanding and being on the journey with me. And you will see it unfold with time. So, thank you.